Unveiling the beauty of the flower of youth. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and poetic phrase that you might come across in literature, movies, or everyday conversation, the flower of youth. Let's unfold the petals of this expression together and understand its deep meaning and how you can use it in your own conversations. The flower of youth is a metaphorical expression that represents the peak or prime time of youth, where one is at their most vibrant, energetic, and full of life, much like a flower at its fullest bloom. This phrase is often used to evoke a sense of nostalgia or to highlight the transient, fleeting nature of youth. Throughout history and literature, youth has been celebrated and romanticized for its beauty, energy, and potential. The flower of youth analogy is a testament to this admiration. It's been used by poets, writers, and thinkers to capture the essence of youth's fleeting beauty and the importance of cherishing this time. You can use the flower of youth in various contexts, such as in creative writing, speeches, or when reflecting on the past. It's a powerful way to express appreciation for the vitality and possibilities that come with youth, or to reminisce about one's younger years with fondness and a touch of wistfulness. We hope this exploration of the flower of youth has added a new bloom to your garden of English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the beauty and depth of expression. We look forward to sharing more insights and learning together. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.